Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about August popular nail art designs. All these nail art designs are very popular in August 2023. If you want to create an up-to-date nail art design, then see this video and try these designs. If you want to see any other nail art trend and any other nail art tutorial, then tell me in the comment section. August nail art designs are very easy to create. These designs are very trendy and beautiful. You can create these designs on your long oval nails as well as short nails or French nails. If you have any question and any query about these nail art designs, then tell me in the comment section. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Try out these designs. Stay tuned for the next exciting nail art trends and videos. Thank you.